In this video in details I'm going to show you how to replace the starter motor on a Bobcat skid steer loader Kubota diesel. Under the hood we have V2203, and this machine has a faulty starter. Starter needs to be replaced. It's old and it's not reliable any longer, but before firing the parts cannon, do diagnosis on your machine, how to troubleshoot a starter electrical circuit, which will be down in the description below. Yeah, how to test a starter as well. Check it out, and let's get started. I already have a replacement part. As you can see, it's new, it's tested, it should work. It's made by Wilson, tested power, trusted performance. We'll see. Made in Mexico, should be good stuff. Remanufactured, started. Part number 91-01-4371. $230, not a big of a deal. And this start has a faulty solenoid, Delco Remy, made in Japan. Yeah, time to put a new one and make this machine reliable again. First we have to disconnect a negative battery cable from the post 10mm socket or wrench. Here we go. Alright, battery is disconnected. Now we're saved, won't cause any electrical shorts. 17mm deep socket, 3/8 ratchet. Let's disconnect the main battery cable from the starter. Here's the starter main stud, and yeah, let's just break this loose and spin the nut off. Here we go. Let's slide all cables out. 8mm deep socket. Let's disconnect the starter control wire. There we go. Slide the wire out. As you can see, this starter was beaten because solenoid didn't want to engage. You can see those hammered marks. There's only 3 bolts holding the starter to the bell housing. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to use 14mm deep socket extension and 3/8 ratchet. You can use the open wrench, it will work, but this way it's easy. And I'm going to remove the back one first, and those front ones are more easy to access. Yeah, go with your ratchet all the way through like that, and break it loose. It's coming, no problem. If you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, recommendations, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. And as you can see, this bolt is our ground as well. Make sure before we're putting everything back, we will clean the eyelets. Look at that rusted bolt. We'll clean that guy. And yeah, it's one of the main ground points. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. 1 is removed. Yeah, let's remove those ones. Pretty straightforward. Let's get a starter out. Rubber mallet. Let's just stop it like that. They have been together for quite a long time. Okay, starter is out. As you can see, lots of rust and quite a bit of grind. Starter, seen better days. Tons of wear and tear on a bearing. Seems like that material came from the housing. And pinion gear looks just fine. And yeah, it's definitely worn out. You can see grind. Yeah, not good. Yeah. Well, seen better days. Inside and inspect the flywheel teeth. Teeth are good. No chipping, no missing ones. And as you can see, lots of debris, all that worn out stuff. Material. We'll do the cleanup before putting a new starter for sure. Look at that kind of gunk. Metal grind. Never assemble it. Dirty parts. Do the cleanup best as you can. Yeah, we'll prep the surface, make sure everything's nice and clean. We'll clean all that gunk, and yeah, we'll be ready for the installation. Got a little bit of brake clean. Clean it. Wash it. A little bit of water brush. Clean it out. Maybe get better. Almost good enough. Nice and clean. Doesn't need to be spotless perfect, but needs to be clean. Good. Before we put in a starter, let's refresh our eyelets. Make sure they're all nice and shiny. Just give a little water brush touch like that. All needs to be clean. Don't assemble rusty old corroded parts. Okay, ground side and the positive side as well. Pretty easy to refresh the contact points. Just take the old layer. There's our battery cable as well. Look at that. Not too bad, but some gunk on it. Now it's happy. We'll put a very light coat of anti-seize here. It will help us to put a starter in. Doesn't need much. Like that. And just spread it around the whole. Now also might as well just put a thin layer like that, just to prevent the corrosion a little bit. Yeah. Here we go. Way better. All three bolts are same size. I'm going to clean them as well, prep for the installation. Everything's prepped, nice and clean, and yeah, get to put the parts back together. Beautiful. And this one's most rusted. Before installing the new part, new starter, always compare your original part to the new part. Make sure they're the same before trying to fit the starter in. And as you can see visually, they look the same. And also the main battery terminal on the same side, and our starter control wire on the same side as old one. Yeah, same length, same. Yeah, they will work, will fit. Nice. Let's place the new starter in. can peel this tag, and yeah, same way as we removed, new one is going in. There we go. I'm holding with one hand. Let's just start one bolt on the very front, because back bolt will be a mounting point for the wire straps. We don't have to tighten it up, just we'll run a bolt almost to the end and have this touching the housing. Now starter is not going anywhere. Now we can put our upper bolt, and as you remember, we have ground straps here. Let's get all of them on like that through the bolt. Make sure we won't miss any. There we go. Get the bolt all the way in. So started by hand always. Should not cross-threading anything. Okay, I have a few threads started. Now I can move my ratchet to the top. Break the bolt, and it's tight, not going anywhere. Let's reconnect our main starter wire with a bunch of power outlets from the harness to the main starter stud. Stopped, and that's it. Easy to strip or spawn the stud. Don't go too crazy. All right, let's reconnect our starter control wire. There's a small 8mm nut with a lock washer. Oh, come on. Let's pull this guy out. Take it off. Refresh this little guy. Give a scrub. Nice and clean. Make a good connection. Put an eyelet first, then a lock washer and a nut. That's it. Beautiful. All right. Let's put a boot on the stud. Before reconnecting the battery, let's refresh our connections with a battery cleaner brush. Nice and shiny. Flip it up like that. Let's refresh our clamp as well. Now battery terminals are good. Okay, way better. Well, this is how to replace the starter motor on a Bobcat skid steer loader equipped with a Kubota diesel engine. Well, let's go start the engine and see how it starts. Let's do one more time. Well, thank you so much guys for your time watching this video. If it's helpful, informational, put a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Very appreciated that, and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.